Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Mega Market Mall. We have a great topic for you today that is ideal for beginners. How to fly a drone like a pro. Drones can provide some breathtaking video in addition to being entertaining. There are some crucial procedures and advice to get you started. Before we start, please remember to click the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. So, let's start right now. Part 1. Drone Foundations. Let's speak about the fundamentals first. Drones come in all different sizes and designs, but for novices, we suggest starting with a model that is simple to operate. For instance, the DJI Mini 2 is a great option. It is portable, simple to fly, and doesn't need FAA registration for leisure usage. Part 2. Pre-flight checklist. A pre-flight checklist must be completed before takeoff. Here are some actions to take. 1. Verify your local laws. Find out about local drone laws in your area and abide by them. This includes airspace limitations and no-fly zones. 2. Battery and controller. Check that the controller and battery on your drone are completely charged. You don't want to take a short flight. 3. Check your propellers to make sure they are in good shape, unharmed, and firmly fastened. 4. Calibrate your drone. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to calibrate the compass and gyroscope on your drone. Part 3. Getting off the ground and launching. You're prepared and are now ready to take off. Take these actions. 1. Safe location. Look for a flat, open place far from other people and obstructions. 2. Turn on your drone. 3. Next, turn on the controller. 4. Connect the controller. Follow the manufacturer's directions to connect your drone to the controller. 5. Automatic takeoff. An automatic takeoff capability is included on several drones. Part 4. Controls for drones. It is essential to comprehend how to control the drone. Here is a summary. The throttle, left stick, is used to ascend and descend. Left stick. Move your left stick left and right to rotate the drone. 3. Pitch and roll, right stick. Push to maneuver your drone in the forward, backward, left, and right directions. 4. Camera controls. You can generally tilt the camera up and down with a drone. Part 5. Perfect practice. Piloting drones professionally requires training. Hovering, flying straight ahead, and making mild turns are good places to start. Don't forget to work on your camera abilities as well. Smooth, steady shots are essential for producing footage that looks professional. Part 6. Safety first. Let's finally discuss safety. Always. 1. Maintain a line of sight. At all times, keep your drone in your line of sight. 2. Avoid no-fly zones. Respect privacy and stay out of restricted places. 3. Be weather aware. Avoid flying in heavy winds or bad weather. 4. Emergency procedures. Discover how to activate your drone's return to home feature in case of problems. This is a beginner's tutorial on how to fly a drone proficiently. Keep in mind that drone flying success comes from practice. So go flying, do it safely, and grab some incredible footage. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more advice. Until next time, fly safe, and see you in our next video. Click the link below to see some great deals and view a range of top models. Don't miss out on the fun, and thanks for watching.